Nalor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang kabak hamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpnya.
Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kisang Maha Pyntrei unai weng arjapsan. Udah Jurip ya Madan artificial turf. Kemudian halat japlem Amlarem. Kemudian Pyntrei mentasya syachman. Lasanan lang ya Menteri Rambak da Menteri Ketnat Pudi Putih balak men rembui. Ringkat ki officer nak Ketnat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. District Sports Officer ke West Gentle Hills. Ba Krubok Pasar. Ki officer sorkar nalor kinoi lam bat dekat jangka Amlarem Subdivisional Sports Association bat kiwi-kiwi.
Engineer? By when will this be complete fully? By February, no? Okay. Good.
अभी क्या क्या बाकी है?
अभी स्टार्टिंग ऑफ सिंप्लेक्स है ना गड़बड़ ऑन गैदर ऑफ
तो ये अच्छा करता है ना?
So now we are here in the Amlarem Subdivisions Association football field, and this ground is, as you can see, this is the project of the artificial turf that is going on, and it has come out really, really well. There are many such projects going on throughout the state, and we expect that this should be complete and we should be able to start having the football matches by March of 2026. So it's a great project, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work out here. Thank you so much.